Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me. Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'll be doing a wig takedown and an install step by step. Right now, all I'm doing is I sprayed on some why do I always forget what the heck I use? Hold on, let me check. Okay, I'm back. What I sprayed on to get her lace to lift really good is the Bold Hold Lace Remover. And it works really, really good. And it looks like it's hard coming off, but it's not. It only looks like that because I sped the video up, you guys. But yeah. Now I'm getting ready to undo the braids. And here I say it again. People always think that because, not always, but a lot of people think that if you wear wigs, you don't have any hair. Most of my clients have been wearing wigs for about almost 2 years now. And their hair has grown so much. It's a protective style. You're not doing anything to your hair at all. And people say, oh, your edges are going to come out. Your edges are going to come out only if you're putting that glue on the hair. That's it. And she was saying, oh, it looks like my edges are thinning. No, your edges are not thinning. Your hair needs to be colored. And we're not coloring it today. When the roots are white, it looks like you have no edges. And her hair is white, like my elbow. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. No, I'm not. I shampooed her off camera, you guys. And conditioner. I shampooed her with the Paul Mitchell 1 shampoo. And I also conditioned her with the Paul Mitchell Volumizing and Thickening Deep Conditioner. And even though I got all the glue off, when you wet it, you always see more particles. So that's what you saw me taking off on the edges, a little bit of glue that was left on there. Now I'm putting the conditioner on, you guys. And I usually let the conditioner sit for about 20 minutes. Brushing that through. And you know, the brush that they send you when you buy your bundles, that's a wig brush. It works so freaking good, you guys. It works so good. Look at all that hair. Okay, you guys, usually when I blow dry the hair, I put oil serum on them, and I believe I did put that on her hair. And I don't blow dry it to where it's bone straight or super dry. I want to leave a bit of moisture in there because after I blow dry it, I add some more product in it on the braid. Actually, yeah. After I blow dry it, I braid it up, and then I add more product on the braid. Okay, you guys, when I start braiding the hair, I don't start braiding right on the hairline. I leave those baby hairs out, and then I just lay those down later. And I forgot to say, when I braid the hair, I put a little bit of merge edge control on the root so that the braid will stay secure. As you guys can see, I'm connecting the braids so that I don't have to sew each individual braid down or make one big braid that leaves a lump in the back. And then when I get to that part right there, I do 2 braids in the front and then I make it 1 braid going down in the back, if that makes any sense. I connect the 2 braids together and have 1 braid going down in the back. Okay, you guys, I braided her all up. I didn't have you guys watch the whole process of me braiding her. Now all I'm doing is putting alcohol around her hairline to get any oils, conditioners, or anything that I may have left on there, so that the wig can stick and won't be raising up, you guys. Remember when I said I don't add her edges in to the braid because I don't want any tension on her edges at all? I'm just putting Gotta Be Freeze Blast on there and slicking those edges down. Then I do that because she was concerned about her edges. She has stopped coming to me for a while. She was going somewhere else. No, she was wearing braids too. She got them from someone else. And they really took her edges out a lot. And her hair too. So that's why I'm trying to be extra careful about her edges. I don't want to say Lola did this, Lola did not. Lola ain't did shit. Lola ain't did nothing. When you came back, it was like that. And I make sure I point out certain things like that to clients because clients are quick to blame you for anything going wrong with their hair when they know they done cheated and went somewhere else. And then come back and blame you. Nah. That ain't what's going down today, tomorrow, or next week. I put about 3 layers of the even glue on the stocking cap. A lot of people use hairspray to secure the stocking cap on the hair, but I'm using glue. I'm using the even glue, the even glue, to secure the cap down because my customer's a little bit rough on her hair, and I want that stocking cap to stay down, but she done fell asleep. I was wondering how long it was gonna take her to fall asleep. Now I'm taking that little eyebrow razor and cutting that excess lace off. I also sewed the back of the wig cap down to her braid because sometimes when you don't do that, the wig cap slips up and then they swear their wig is coming off. Okay, guys, I'm going to further secure the cap by putting some Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast on it, and then putting the blow dryer to it because I want that cap to stick. Okay, right now I'm just placing the unit where it needs to be. This wig was a T-part wig, and she wanted a side part, but she had to have this color, and I was having a hard time finding a wig in this color for her. So I just got the T-part, and I said I'll put the part on the side, like shift it over. You know you can do that, right? So yeah, now I'm just placing the bold hold, cream around her forehead. Her hairline. Not even the hairline. On her skin, where the stocking cap and the skin meet. And I know for sure that I put about 3 or 4 layers on there. She does really good with her wigs. The first time I gave her a lace front, she really didn't know how to, take care of it. And it came up and, child, it was a lot. So now I always put 3 layers on there, and she knows not to get the lotion on that she puts in her face around the lace or any type of oils. And her wigs last for a while. It could last her for about a month, but she likes to come in like every 2 to 3 weeks, which is fine with me, and get it switched up. So yeah, I'm taking the blow dryer to it to help that adhesive dry a little bit faster. Now all I'm doing is putting some makeup on the lace. The same makeup. Well, no, I sprayed the cap with the even lace tint spray, and now I'm just putting concealer on the lace. And sometimes I bleach or not, sometimes I don't. Most of the times I don't. I really don't. When you can put the makeup on there, melt it down, and have it look like you have bleached the knots. Just combing the hair back. You guys can't see me doing that right there, but on this side you can. Just securing the cap down in the adhesive, combing the hair back, and getting that lace in the skin, you guys. Come on, go look at this. There we go. Getting that lace melted down on the skin. Now I'm tying the scarf around it I should have used my elastic band. That's what I should have did. But I'm tying my scarf around it so that it can get melted. Just combing the hair out right now so that it'll be ready for the press down on the part area. Look at that color, you guys. That color is just so awesome. So awesome. Okay, I got the lace all melted down. Now I'm gonna stitch the back of the wig down. Some customers like to stitch down, some don't. Most don't request it, but I stitch it down for her because it makes her feel more secure that the wig is stitched down and it's not going to fly off doing any type of extracurricular activity. That's per my client, not me, you guys. I did not pluck the edges because my customer does not like. She says that when you over pluck the edges a lot. I did pluck it, but I didn't over pluck it. She thinks that I didn't pluck it at all. But she says it looks like a bald head hairline. So, you know, we got to get the customers what they want. But she did not know that I did pluck it. Did minimal plucking on it. But yeah, I did. She loved it and didn't even know. Now I'm just cutting off that excess lace. Now you cut the lace off and then you still have some excess lace. Cut that off, and then I'll put some spray on it, some freeze blast spray on it to lay it down again so it won't lift up. And then after that, I'll be pulling out a little bit of baby hair. She usually wants a little, and she keeps saying, "That's not enough, that's not enough." I'm like, oh my goodness, you switch up so much on me. And she has the right to do that because she's paying her money, you guys. Just getting that excess product off of her hairline, her face, forehead, wherever it may be. On the baby hairs, I use the... What do I keep forgetting the product? Oh, I use the Lotta body foam. Okay, I had to show off my Mother's Day cup that my sister got me. It has my picture on it, and some pictures of us. Okay, now I'm doing the Aragon Tay's baby hair method, where you curl the baby hair under, and it does make it a whole lot easier. When you're slicking them down, it makes it a whole lot easier. They just go exactly where they're supposed to be, especially when you glide it with that finger. Actually, you guys, I'm using the Got to Be Glued in the black little tube because I want to give her some extra holding around the lace. Now I'm using the Kera wax stick to go over her part area and her edges. And I'm gonna go in with my electric straightening comb and flatten those edges. I'll make them nice and flat, you guys. The edges and the hairline. But I didn't have it plugged up, so now I'm just going in with that concealer on her part and around the lace. I'm gonna get any excess product off, like the got to be glue gel that I just put on her baby hair. Now it's hot. I'm just pressing down her part area. You guys, that does make a big difference. A big difference. And here I go, putting more product on the baby hair so they can stay down. I usually comb them out, but usually don't comb them out because she combs them out after a day or two. And the hair looks good like that, but I don't like when you have those sparse ends where you can see through the bottom of it. So I'm gonna cut it. And I'm cutting it in the shape that it was in. And that also makes the hair look thicker on the ends. Now if the hair is thick, I don't have to do that because you can't see through the bottom of it. But when it's sparse like that, oh, I'm gonna cut those little strands that's hanging down. I asked my client if she wanted bumped on the ends. She said no. What difference does it make? And then she says, I want it bumped, but I didn't bump it. So here's the finished look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way through the video, I really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload another video. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media channels. Bye-bye, and as usual, stay blessed.